Happy Monday, everybody. Today's topic is why most keto diets fail and what to do instead. Welcome to the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor, your daily bite of clarity, healing, and real food wisdom. Let's face it, most people who start keto end up quitting. They burn out, they get confused, they feel deprived, but it's not that keto doesn't work. Believe me, it works very well. It's because they treat it like a quick fix and not the lifestyle shift. They focus on numbers, not nourishment. They fear fat because we've been taught that, but binge on keto treats. They skip electrolytes, ignore their stress, and wonder why they crash. Keto done right actually is pretty simple, but it's not shallow. It's not just bacon, butter, and hope. And your body knows the difference between real food and artificial food. So here's today's nugget. Keto isn't hard. Quitting and starting over is hard. One of my clients said, I was doing everything right, but I still felt awful. So I asked, were you eating enough? Were you drinking your electrolytes? She wasn't. And I was guilty of this too throughout the 6 years. We get busy. I understand this. And once we added real food, real salt, her cravings dropped, her brain fog lifted, and she felt steady when she added those healthy fats. It wasn't the diet that failed, it was the approach. So here's your strategy, and here's what to focus on today. Don't go keto fast, go keto wise. Build your meals around real protein, healthy fats, and non-starchy veggies. Skip the keto gimmicks. Your body is smarter than that, and your body needs good fat. So most people quit because they start wrong. You're not most people. Start strong, educate yourself, stay nourished, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next Daily Spoonful. And watch, even if you already are keto, watch the 11 things you should do before you start keto. And I'm also going to put good fats, bad fats at the end of this video. So if you need a refresh or you're learning for the first time. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.